This video shows the installation of the Falcon Piggyback Shocks on the TJ Wrangler. Falcon Shocks for the TJ are available in 3 to 4 inch lifts. Raise the vehicle off the ground and support the axles as needed. This install can be done without removing the wheels. Remove the existing front shocks. Install the roost guard, then the flat bottom washer and bushing onto the Falcon Shock. Position the Falcon Shock with the shaft up, install the other bushing, then the curved washer on top of the shock bracket, and then top the whole thing off with the nut. Set the lower end of the Falcon Shock into place, and orient the shock so the piggyback reservoir is aligned with the axle tube. Use the factory hardware on the bar pin and torque to 20 foot-pounds. Turn the roost guard to face out to best protect this shaft. Torque the upper nut to 15 foot-pounds. Remove the existing rear shocks. Leave one of the upper bolts loosely installed. Slide the slotted end of the Falcon Shock's bar pin onto the bolt and install the remaining bolt. Torque to 25 foot-pounds. With the reservoir toward the tire, install the lower eyelet into the shock bracket. Use the factory hardware and torque to 75 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Now go out and hit the trail, see what Falcon Shocks can do.